Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to 4-Bit Gaming and Tech. It's Sean, and today we're going to discuss Rufus, Windows 11, and upgrading your older computers. Like we discussed in our video yesterday, we're going to use a USB flash drive to do so. So first, open your browser and go to rufus.ie/your language code. So mine is EN since I'm in the United States. And then it'll take you to this website here. You'll scroll down to the latest releases. At the time of this video, the latest release is 4.6. I do not need the portable version or the x86 version, so I downloaded 4.6. I've already downloaded the video or the software, so I don't need it. Again, I have it on my desktop, so I'm going to minimize that. And I have it right here on my desktop. It's my daughter there. She's 9. So here it is right here. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And I have my flash drive already inserted. One of the first steps you're going to need to do if you don't already have Windows 11 installation media is you'll hit the drop down menu and hit download. You'll hit download. You'll choose which version of Windows you're looking for. Since we're doing Windows 11 today, we'll hit Windows 11. You'll hit continue. It'll prompt you to choose a location of where you'd like to install it. You'll go ahead and do so. I already have it installed, so at this time I'll go ahead and I'll hit select. And then of course I'll have navigated to where I have it installed, and I'll select it. Everything will pretty much pre-populate the way it needs to. You'll go ahead and hit start, and then it'll give you several options that you need to choose on how to customize your Windows installation. The first one is absolutely integral for doing older computers. This removes the requirements that Microsoft puts up there that pretty much blacklists older computers. You'll need to leave that box checked, otherwise it's not going to work. The second one, I leave it up there just because I don't like making Microsoft accounts for computers, especially while I'm refurbishing computers for people to sell in my community. I leave that checked. The other ones, you can go ahead and do this if you would like to save yourself some work and time. Otherwise, just leave them blank. If you really don't like, some people really don't like BitLocker, you can check that as well to disable that. Again, I don't mess with those settings. I leave them alone, and then hit OK. You'll go ahead and hit start, and it'll start the process. It'll take about 10 minutes, sometimes about 15 minutes, depending upon whether you're using a USB 2 flash drive or the speed of your serial bus. So after you're done with that, it'll tell you it's done. You'll go ahead and hit close, and then safely eject your flash drive. And then we're going to continue on in just a moment with the process of reformatting and wiping a Windows 11 computer.